Good day, guys. I'm Isaac, and I'll be taking you through a short talk on how to navigate Pixellab in just 25 minutes. Enjoy it with me. Thank you. So, when you scroll up, this is what you have just resolutions of designs you might want to create. We have all this. Then, when you click on the first zoom button, yeah, it's meant to zoom out when you are designing. You want to see particular details, you can use it to zoom out. Next is the grid button. So when you click on the grid button, this is what you have. So click down and then you can adjust it to any number of lines you want. So use the many buttons to just adjust and then add more lines, and that's it. Next is layer, not in layer. So we click on the plus icon and use the plus icon to add your text. You see text, and then your date. You add your date. That's You can also use it to add stickers, but we're not adding stickers. Let's talk about shapes. You can use it to add shapes. And on the right, you can see different things you can do with your shape. You can change the color, add radius, and some other things. You can try that out on your own. Still on the plus icon, you can draw. You see, you do every sort of things with your pen. You can increase the size. You can increase the what's this? You can increase the radius too, and all that. Though we don't need that right now, so we go to layer and then we go and delete it. So click on the layer icon I told you before. You see now we have things in our layer, so you can just delete them. So let's delete that now. Not that only everything in layer, because we want to just show you around. So we've deleted everything in layer and you see that there's nothing in layer again. Next is how to save your design. So when you click on that, you can save it as project. We are not saving now, that's why. Then you click on the save as image to you. It's advisable that you save as ultra, so because that give you the best resolution on pixel app. Yes, then you can click on this icon here. You get a whole number of codes here, and you can switch to different languages. And lastly, we move to the three dot icon here. This one, when you click on it, you see the options, and you do that and get your answers. Good. Now I just added my text and I'm editing it. Just watch. Once again, you're welcome to my channel, and how to navigate Pixellab in 25 minutes. That's what I want to show you right now. So I'm going to be dragging it and making it bold. Using that, you see that the button by the edge of the box, that's what used to make it big. So after that, I want to just add a picture so that I won't just look like this. So I click on the same plus icon I told you about. That's what I'm going to use, and then I use it to easily add my picture. Yes, so this is the picture I want to use. So how do we remove the background? I'm just going to use erase color to remove the background for now. Actually, there are some better applications I can use to remove the background. So I'm going to go there, select the yellow at the back of the picture, and then remove it completely. Quick, let's do that fast. Sorry, that had to be super fast if you are going to do this in 25 minutes. So I just had to be very fast. So what I did here was just to remove the color from all the shades of yellow there, one by one, and then we are done. You can check out the erase color and try it out, or tell me in the comment section what you feel about it. So we are done. Now I want to place this text behind the picture. You see that if it's in front, you have to move it up. There are two ways you can do that. You either move it from here, move to the front, move to back, or move to front, or you come here and drag it from the right hand side here. Just drag it. Those dotted icons, you use them to drag it down, and we are done. So what you're about to do now is to change the font. Yeah, I want to change the font. Let's make it a little bit big. No, straighten it out. Yeah. So we need to have a good font. So I just selected my font. I selected Gotham font. That's what I'm using. So with that, I want to place it in the center. You see what I did there? If you don't see it properly, you can just go over it and watch it properly. I'm placing it right in the center. You use those buttons to place wherever you want to place it around. And then I want to increase the size. You do it like that. Or you do it manually by just using your hand to increase the size. Good. Also, there's something called padding. You can use padding to, if part of your text is not showing, you use padding. You either paddle to the right or to the left, or you can do both. So you use that to ensure that all part of your text is showing. Then I want to change the color. Let's look for a good color to give to this. If you can't find any color there, you can just click on the plus button. Yeah, that icon there, so that you can add your own color from the color wheel. Or if you are not satisfied with the color, you can go there, play with the uh, this want to make it darker, want to make it lighter, and so on. Then you place your text back. So you see the importance of this grid line now, so that your text will not be too far out of your design. You can use that to do it. Then come the opacity. Yes, opacity, to make it, you understand, you know what opacity means, sorry. Then maxing, we don't really need that. You use that to hide one part of an element on the design. Then lastly, this you can use it to bolden it, underline it, and then remove it completely without crossed T. So we are back here. You can try out all the many features too. This is spacing. You can use it to space your words out. It's more good when your letters are small. You understand? The idea was just to show you how it works, how everything works. Now I'm copying the text. I've done that already. Then we edit it. So you know how to navigate in 25 minutes. So I'll just be writing the 25 minutes right now. Just in 25 minutes. Sorry, those places were just, they had to be very fast so that I can do this in this short period of time. So that's that about that. We have done that. So right now I saw that the picture has a kind of yellow something. It shows that the background is not properly removed. So I want to just creatively do something around that. That's creating a stroke around the picture. So it will be like a design. Then the yellow thing be used to make the design look more better. That's what we are doing. So I've added stroke. You can only add stroke while you have switched to this part of object, because right now we're adding stroke on the picture, not on the text. We are done adding the stroke. Centralize our text, and good. I think we are good to go right now. Yes. So good. We have added in 25 minutes now. So you see something that part of the text is not showing. Do you see that? So increasing the padding will make it show properly. You see, if we reduce it, some parts will not show. So I have to increase the padding and make sure that if you are increasing the two, ensure that both of them are on the same number. So when you are trying to centralize it, or which other type of alignment you are using, it will always align with the alignment. So you get that, yeah. Then I want to change the color to blue. So when I'm done changing the color, yes, I think it's good. It's good. It's cool like this, right? Good, good, good. So you see what I clicked? You can check it again if you don't see it. So I added a box or a shape. I want it rectangular, so I can just put something on it, like my name. Yeah, Exceptional Innovation is the name of my brand. I'm a graphic designer. I also do video editing. So Yeah. So putting it here, and I also do some other things too. I'm also a student. Change the color. You see that? Then I don't want it to just be opaque like that. I want to reduce the opacity. Is that reduce or increase? Yeah. Allow light to pass through it so you can see something underneath it. Before I do that, you see what I did now? Radius. That radius is meant, actually you can use it for if you have the box in the design and it's showing from the beginning to the end, is all in the design. You understand? You don't understand what I said. I mean, if the design is going to be, if the box is going to be inside the design, like not cutting through it like this one is, you can use that radius so it can have a curved edge. You understand? So now I've increased the opacity or reduced it so you can see something behind it actually, and then just play around it. If you want to use all these things, you can check them out on your own while doing this. You see where the arrow is pointing to? We use that to crop. You see this? So if I crop it out, we have what I crop in the main picture. That's what we use that for. After you use this for copy, everything that I use them for, they have their name already under it, so you can know that. So you have a lot of things, but I think our design will not just be too good looking like this. It's too point black, though it's just for explanation. I didn't plan to do anything like this before, but so that it can just be more beautifying. So let's do something. That was me putting the name Exceptional Innovations down there. So now I want to bring in a YouTube icon from my gallery. So when I bring in the YouTube icon, it has a plain white background, which I'm just going to use the same method to remove. After I crop out the shadow, I'll just remove it with the remove color function. And after doing that, I will place it at some strategic places, and also I will be increasing the opacity so that it will be much more lighter. Light will pass through it and it will just be perfect. I'll place one at the edge, one down there, and I think we are just good to go. Thanks. After doing everything there, I want to show you what's here too, the last icon here. So here you can make sure your picture is in PNG. You know PNG is no background, so right now is no background, or change it back to white. When you change it back to white, Pixellab automatically switches initial background to black, or when it's light or white, it changes back to white. You understand what I'm saying, Sha? So you can switch your background color to from here. You see this? Let's change this to a more darker red. You pick the other button there and you switch it to a more darker red. Let's make it darker. Yes, you see that. You can apply it to your background by clicking OK. You see this, but this is not what you need. So let's change it back to our white from color. So that's what gradient is all about. So maybe I'll be doing a video to explain detail some of this function that you'll be needing in your design. And this is just this is perfect for just a 25 minutes tour on Pixellab. I've talked about the layer, I've talked about the strokes, the zoom in, you want to zoom out, and so on and so forth. You have all these ones too here. Vignette. Let's add a little vignette. You see that? You see what vignette does? When you click on it, turn it on. You see? You see this? You can reduce it. You can also change the color of the vignette. So let's just take blue. Let's take blue. Though it's not on all design that you apply these things. not enough designs actually. Let's just leave it like this for the sake of this design. Then you can click OK. We have noise. If you are inclined with the picture, you know what noise is, especially when your camera is not good or will not perform very well under light. Then though we don't need this, so let's just leave it like that. You can try out the remaining functions too. So it's exactly 15 minutes, or sorry, more than 15 minutes that we started this video. So the remaining 10 minutes out of this 25 minutes will be for you to, if there's a particular place you need to watch again, please do, because the initial video was recorded in like 25 minutes or more, so you need to watch it, ensure that you get it properly. If you have questions, you can drop them in the comments. I will be here to attend to you. And please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share my video. Yeah, good, good, good. This everything. So right now, oh, I want to save this as a project. So you click on that. I thought you had to save as projects, right? Yeah. So let's name our project how to navigate Pixellab. How to navigate Pixellab in 25 minutes. Yes, in 25 minutes. Mm, mm. So yeah, when we are done with that, we'll click on done. What's wrong? So click on it. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I've been using it for a long time. So when you click on done, you click on OK and it saves. Then you go back to save it to your gallery. That's save as image. So you don't have to change it to PNG because you don't need to have it without background. So PNG, and when you click on PNG, click on OK. So it will save as a file on your phone. It will take a short while before it actually save, but it will finally save. Then when you are done, you can just go back to your gallery to go and check your design. It's most advisable that you do your design while your phone is standing erect, not in auto rotate mode, because it might deform the design. Goodbye.